Hey, y'all just came on. Yay! Day 3, countdown to Christmas. This is 22. This is day 22. Got 22 days left till Christmas. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Start sewing. Get it all sewn up because we got 22 days to get everything made before Christmas comes. Uh-oh. What are you going to do? You got a lot of sewing to do. Get busy, get busy, get busy. I was talking to someone earlier that said, I need to get busy. So I sent him a message this morning. I said, get to sewing. So, get to sewing. Let's pick us a stocking. Which one do y'all think we ought to get today? Oh, y'all just fell over. Okay. Which one do you think we ought to get? Let's try this one right here. I have no idea what's in it. But we're about to find out, aren't we? Yes, we are. We're about to find out. Aha! Heat erasable marking pens. I use these all the time. They are wonderful. I do have some, but tip, if you just want black, or I think you can even get them in colors, erasable pens at Wally World. Yep, just with the pens and the markers, erasable pens. There you go. It's your tip for the day. Erasable pens. Let me grab these and I'll show you how they work. Just got an old piece of fabric here. Come on. Okay, got y'all turned off there. Got my little iron on right here. This is just something I was playing with. We're going to do this here in a minute. Let's cool it off because it won't mark. Here. This is just an erasable pen. See, it says right there, erasable, right there. Now watch this. Hot iron. And just like that, it's gone. If you want some other colors, these come like this. You get just the case for your pen, and you get all of these refills. There's blue. You know, sometimes I just don't even feel sticking it down in the pen. I just do it this way. And there's red. I'm not wanting to cooperate. Let's see, here's a pink. Here is an orange. Watch this. And they're all gone. It's just magic. Magical. It's just magical. Someone said, though, if you wet it, then they come back. Let's find out. Nope, they do not. They're gone. There you go. That's your day 3. 21 days left. 22 days. 22. This is day 22. Y'all, I'm going backwards. I'm confused. Very confused. I don't know which direction to go. 22. The mister's sitting over here behind me.
This is day 2 of your countdown.
No, this is day 3.
Day 3?
This is day 3 of the countdown. So, this video is day number 3. So that's 22. So there we go. Wonder what's in the rest of them. I know, but I don't remember. We'll have to come back tomorrow, 7 o'clock, every night, the whole month of December. You get a little short snippet of what's in the stocking. So come back tomorrow night, 7 o'clock, to see what's in the next stocking. I'll see you then.